Hey everyone, it's Dan here. I'm here today to quickly talk to you about how to extend and shorten music tracks the really simple and easy way. So here on my screen you can see my timeline. My videos are all put in, it's ready to go. You can see that it's 3 minutes 42 long. What I need to do now is drop some music into the sequence. So I've got a music clip here. You can see it's only actually 2 minutes 27 long. So when I drop it on, it's actually a lot shorter than my entire sequence. So what I want to do is I want to extend it. I'll do this in Adobe Audition. So to do this, right click on the music file, hit edit in Adobe Audition, and what this will do is then import the original music file into Adobe Audition. Now to do this you obviously need to have Adobe Audition installed on your machine. Here we are in Adobe Audition, and what you need to do next is right click on your music track and select New Multi-Track Sequence. A little window will pop up, just bang in any sort of name there you want for your track, e.g. music or longer music track, and then hit OK. What that will do is then open the multi-track window. Then over the left hand side you'll need to click on the button that says Enable Remix. Do this and the software will then just analyse the track, and it's just measuring all the beats per second. Then what you can do is then set the duration of the track to whatever you want. So go back to Premiere Pro, look at my sequence, it's 3 minutes 42 long. I tap in 3 minutes 42 into the remix box, hit enter, and then what Audition is doing is recalibrating my track and making it exactly 3 minutes 42 long. And that's it, all done. And what I need to do is just go File, export that straight back into Adobe Premiere Pro. And again, you can change the file name and change the location of where that's saved, in addition to dropping it into Premiere Pro. Hit export when you're ready to go, and when that's done, Premiere Pro will open up again. Here it is. It's just giving me an option of do I want to save the new music file in a bin? Yes I do, and it automatically drops it into my sequence there. And then the last thing to do is just to delete the old music track. And then there you go. I've got a music track exactly 3 minutes 42 seconds long, and it's the music that I want for my sequence. Thanks for watching guys, and speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.